Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I want to discuss you types of proportion. In previous video we discussed proportion and some problems on proportion. Today types of proportion, there are two types of proportion. First is direct proportion and second inverse proportion. Direct proportion, a proportion in which one quantity increases as other quantity increases. Similarly, the decreases in one quantity causes the decreases in other quantities. Are two quantities A and B are in direct proportion if by whatever factor A changes, B changes by same factor. It's mean if you given two quantities and one R increases, the other almost increase. If one is decreases, the other one also decreases. See this example here: number of pins and second is price of a pin. If one pin's price is 10, if the pin increases 2, the price also increase 20. If the pin is 3, the price also increases 30. We can observe that price increase in same proportion as quantity increases, so we can say that price is directly proportional to the quantity. Unknown is the price of 15 chairs. We have given two quantities, one is chair, the other is price. If 5 chair price is 2000, what will be the 15 chairs? And 15 chairs price is unknown, we write x here, and other this is increases because 515. When see here, when the pin number of pin increase, the price also increases. Here 2015 chairs price also increase. It's clear the price of 15 chairs will be more than the price of 5 chairs. It is directly proportional. 5 ratio 15 ratio 2000 ratio x. Product of extreme is equal to product of mean. Mean these two quantities and extreme these two. You multiply extreme and multiply means. We multiply 5x when we both multiply, and here we this multiply multiplication, we divide both side by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 5 ones are 5, 15 5 threes are 15. Now here the price of 15 chairs is equal to x, and as x we write because we have the price is unknown. Now we find the price is 6. Second example, a car travel 50 km in 4 liter. How far will it go by 20 liter of petrol? Solution: let the car travel in 20 liters. Distance is unknown. We take x kilometer. Two quantity, petrol and distance. 4 liter petrol, the car travel 50 kilometer, and 20 liter petrol, how much they cover distance? It is unknown. It is clear that the car will travel more distance in more petrol, so it is directly proportional. We write 4 ratio 20 proportion 50 ratio x. With proportion we can write is the form of is equal to, and the ratio we write in the form of fraction. So if we solve this, we can find x is equal to 250 kilometers. So the distance traveled in 20 liter is equal to 205 kilometers, 50 kilometers. Inverse proportion: a proportion is in which one quantity increases by decreases the other quantity, and first quantity decreases by increasing the second quantity. Are two quantity A and B are in inverse proportion if by whatever factor A changes, B changes by reciprocal of that factor. In inverse proportion, simply we can define if one quantity increase, the other one is decreased. If A and B are two quantities, if A increase, the B is decreased. If A decreases, the B is increases. In this see in this example, if a car or something uh, travel a distance in 1 hour 60 kilometer per hour, in a half hour they travel 120 kilometer, in 20 minutes they cover 180 kilometer, in 2 hours they cover 30 kilometer per hour. See this given example: four men can repair a road in six days. In how many days 8 men do this same job? Here given men, four men's repair road in 6 days. 8 men in how many days? Here the men are increases, the day will be decreases, because the men are increases, they doing work fast. It is clear the 8 men do the same job in less time, so it's the inverse proportion. We can write 4 divided by 8 is equal to x divided by 6. 4 if we solve this, we can find x is equal to 3. So the number of days is equal to. Now next topic, compound proportion. The proportion involving two or more quantity is called compound proportion. The relationship between two or more proportion is called compound proportion. This enough for this topic. If you have any question, you can comment your question. Thank you so much for watching.